In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a standing order in the Monzo app. If you've set up a regular payment and no longer need it, cancelling a standing order in Monzo is quick and straightforward. A standing order is a repeating bank transfer you've set to go out on a schedule, maybe rent to a friend, a monthly donation, or a savings transfer. When your plans change, you'll want to stop that money leaving automatically, and that's exactly what we'll walk through now. First, open the Monzo app on your phone, give it a moment to load your account so everything on your dashboard is up to date. Next, head to Payments in the menu bar. On most screens, you'll find Payments along the bottom of the app. This is the hub for sending money and managing anything that's due to go out in the future. Inside Payments, go to Scheduled Payments. This section gathers everything that's set to happen automatically, including standing orders. It's a useful overview so you can double check what's coming up, how often it goes, and the amounts involved. Find and select the standing order you want to cancel, tap into it to see the details, look at the recipient, the amount, and the next scheduled date so you're certain you've picked the right one. This is especially helpful if you have a few similar payments set up. Now, tap Cancel Standing Order. In some versions of the app, you might see Cancel Scheduled Payment instead. The action is the same. This tells Monzo to stop sending that transfer on its schedule. There's one key timing rule to keep in mind. Make sure you cancel before 23:59 UTC on the day before the payment is due. Monzo uses Coordinated Universal Time for scheduling, which might differ from your local time zone. If you're close to the cutoff, plan a little earlier to be safe. Cancelling after that time may mean the payment still goes out as planned, so catching it in advance is important. Once you've cancelled, that payment will no longer be sent automatically. You won't have to worry about it leaving your account on the next cycle. If you ever need to send money again to the same person, you can always do a one-off transfer or set up a new schedule later. That's all there is to it. Open the Monzo app, go to Payments, open Scheduled Payments, choose the standing order, and cancel it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your regular payments with confidence.